Alright, so now in this session I'm going to talk about how to create subscriptions and the different types of subscriptions you can create using Work 365. I'm logged into my CRM 9.0 system, and under this, within this CRM system, I have my Work 365 application installed, and I'm going to navigate to the subscriptions entity. Now I see my active subscriptions, and we're going to try to create a new subscription here. A subscription essentially is a line item on an invoice or a service that a customer has purchased from you. A customer will buy one or more subscriptions, and a subscription must be associated with a billing contract and a customer. Now, as soon as I open this form, I click the new button. I have different types of subscription options that I can use, different types of forms. I can use and create a usage-based subscription. I can create a license-based subscription, and I can create a service-based subscription. I will currently use a license-based subscription in this video, and then we'll cover the usage-based and service-based subscriptions in a different video. The subscription entity in Work 365 is integrated with the product catalog. So I could essentially look up the product catalog, pick one of the existing products, and have some of the initial general information filled in automatically. In this instance, I picked the Enterprise E1 Office 365 plan. As soon as I selected the plan, it filled in some of the details around the subscription name, the friendly name, and the unit selling price. By default, the subscription is in a billable status. This means that the subscription line item will appear on the invoice. I can have a parent subscription if this was a bundle. In this demonstration, I won't use a bundle. Let me set up a quantity here for. I'm going to select my customer, Blue Yonder Travels. I'm going to set up a billing contract for the subscription, Blue Yonder CSP. The subscription has an effective start date. I can change this date. I'm going to leave this as today's date. Once I set up the basic information, I need to select a provider for the subscription. A provider essentially means where the subscription is going to be provisioned from. You can buy this particular service line item, the Enterprise E1 plan, in multiple ways. You could buy it from a distributor, you could buy it directly from Microsoft, or some other third party. The idea is that any line item, any service line item that you sell, you can configure which provider is the one that's going to essentially be used to provision this service. I will in this case pick a manual provider because I'm going to assume that I'm working with a distributor and I need to provision this subscription manually every time the customer makes a change or we need to make additions or deletions or reductions to the subscription quantities. This is a Microsoft product. This information is pulled in from the product catalog. I'm going to go ahead and save the subscription. Now, as soon as I save the subscription, it creates a license change log. We will talk in detail about what this change log is. Essentially, this captures every single transaction that happens for the subscription, including create, updates, and allows us to track the provisioning status of this subscription.